last thing I'm going to show you two old school exercises, wall squats, but I'm going to add a little flavor to it. And actually, I'm going to keep the block. It's an isometric. Everything so far I've showed is dynamic. My head, my back, my low back, my bum is touching the wall. My elbows too. I walk myself out. Your stance can be hip width apart. I don't recommend doing this with a wide stance. I'm parallel. So this is just traditional. What I would suggest, and my feet are underneath my knees, by the way, why don't you add some scapular retraction to it? It's not fun. And then the bonus part, if you're like, hey man, that's not challenging, you get a block. I'm huge on also strengthening the adductors, inner thighs. Put the block in, elbows back, and do this happy thing here. And I'm up. There you go.